Hi, I'm Niall from Gulfstream Boat Sales. Today we are taking a look around this beautiful Monterey 204 FS Wakeboard Edition. This is a 21-foot bowrider. It's powered by a Mercruiser 4.3 litre MPI 220 horsepower stern drive engine. It was built in 2011. It has only ever been used in fresh water and it has less than 300 hours on the clock. If you're looking for a big family bowrider, if you're moving up from like a 17 or 18 footer, or even if you want to get on the water for the first time, but you want a boat that's big enough to take everybody out for a full day of fun on the water, this Monterey 204 could be well worth a look. It has only ever been, it's always been a Northern Irish boat supplied by the Northern Ireland dealer for Monterey whenever it was brand new, and it has been used in a mixture of the river band and Loch Earn, so only ever been in fresh water. The trailer has only ever been in fresh water as well. So the benefit of that is that it is in immaculate condition. It's just come from the mechanic and it's had a full annual service done. It's got a beautiful wide band red hull colour. It is complemented by this black rub rail with the stainless steel or the chrome insert. Pop-up stainless steel cleats all the way around, this big chunky pop-up stainless steel cleats. Obviously got the factory mounted wakeboard tower with the Monterey logo embossed into that crossbar. We've got the factory Monterey graphics. Whenever the boat hasn't been in the water, it's really spent, most of the time it's been launched and recovered off the trailer. But whenever the boat's not been on the water, it has been garage kept as well, which makes a big difference. It's been wintered indoors. You got the chrome Monterey badge in there as well. Stern corners are in good shape as well. And then the extended swim platform with that black and chrome rub rail all the way around the stern as well. So in great condition down along the starboard side then is in beautiful condition. Again, the gel coat's in very good shape. Nice shine to it. Rub rail's in good condition. You get your docking light there. Pop-up cleats on this side. Power mounts on this side are in great shape. Windscreen surround looks the part. Coming all the way back here to the stern corner on the starboard side, it's also in good condition. Swim platform, it's got the optional extended swim platform, which is great, makes it very easy to get in and out of the water. You've got this fold-in 3-step stainless steel boarding ladder. Just need to pop this little strap off, and then that folds out. That sort of the tiered sort of arrangement at the back, you get two different levels for the swim platform, and then your sun pad sitting slightly higher means you can sit on the sun pad, put on your wakeboard or water skis, and you've tons of room at the back end for getting in and out of the water. All the surfaces, the tread surfaces, are all molded non-skid, so yeah, it makes it a breeze for getting in and out of the water. Taking a look below the waterline, the condition is every bit as good as above, and then the stern drive as well is in good shape. The boat's powered by a Mercruiser 4.3 litre MPI multi-point fuel injection V6 engine, makes 220 horsepower, and it's matched up to this Alpha 1 stern drive. Very reliable stern drive unit. This one has been fitted with a 4-blade Spitfire prop. So this is a water sports prop. It's a 21-inch pitch. So the hull bottom has never been anti-foiled. Again, because it's a freshwater boat, it has never been anti-foiled, and still the original gel coat finish. You can see exactly what you're buying, which is always good. So the big wide swim platform makes it a breeze to board the boat from the port or starboard side as well. Then the layout is we've got this full width rear bench seat at the stern with this sun pad behind it. 2 pedestal style seats for the helm and the forward passenger. Walk through out into the bow area as well. And these cushions here are both removable so that you can walk through the transom without having to trample over your seat cushions. So it means the upholstery stays in much better condition. So with the cushions removed, you've got this nice wide walkway down into the cockpit, which makes boarding the boat a breeze. So it's CE category C, rated for 7+ gear. The floor is all fiberglass, so it's a fully molded deck, very easy to keep clean. All the original Monterey upholstery, sort of bright white with nice red, black and grey accents, which complements the exterior colour scheme really well. The condition's very, very good. The upholstery's all totally original, completely unmarked. Helm and passenger seats are rotated around. They've both got flip-up bolsters. Let's knock this down. There's a JVC stereo. That's an upgraded stereo with Bluetooth functionality. So it's got a USB port and Bluetooth stereo, which is good. Loads of handrails dotted all the way around it. There's plenty of floor space too if you do want to, if you've got like cool boxes and things. So nice helm station, very supportive helm seat. You can adjust it fore and aft. You can adjust it for height. There's a raised footrest down there. You've got a 5-position tilt adjust on the steering wheel as well. Monterey steering wheel. And you've got a full range of marine instruments, which is keyed on here. So you get your tacho with hour clock showing exactly 297 hours on the clock at the moment. You've got your speedo with your trim gauge. You've got your 4-in-1 multi-gauge then, oil pressure, temperature, voltage and fuel. I've ran this boat on the water a couple of times before. I haven't done it since it's come back in now this time around just yet. Just the time of year and stuff, we're also flat out. So we will try to, if anybody's buying the boat, it's always subject to sea trial and a survey if you want one. So we wouldn't expect anybody to buy a boat without getting a sea trial in it. So we can do that. It's going to be up on plane quickly with that 21 4-blade prop. Top speed's going to be around 40, 45 miles an hour, depending on loading and conditions and stuff like that. But it's ideal for water sports. Nice upholstered topper on the dash. You got a wee steering compass up there. Clear visibility through the center of the screen when you're sitting down. Get great view from the water sports mirror. And then if you want to flip the bolster up, this is the eye line here if you're sitting looking over the top of the screen. So great helm. Throttle and shift lever falls easily to hand. Everything's in really, really nice condition. Passenger seat is the same as the helm seat. Access out into the bow area is via this walk-through screen. So the screen folds open, got a little magnet stopper, holds it in position there, and a nice wide walkway out into the bow. A very low set seating area up here in the bow, so all the original upholstery again in lovely condition. Monterey logos, again that nice sort of grey, silvery grey, red colours. And then this is your bow ladder, folding bow ladder with a little anchor locker down in there as well. And if you are sitting down in this area up here, you're going to feel safe and secure. You feel like you're sitting down inside the boat. The gunnels come up to a good height. Get these handrails, you can sit and relax up here. Whenever the boat's underway, no problem. Lovely bow area. Finally, we will take a look at the engine bay. So just pop the catch. Engine hatch lifts up on 2 gas assist struts, and you've got real good access all the way around this Mercruiser 4.3 litre MPI. So it's multi-point fuel injection, turnkey starting, 220 horsepower, which is loads for the boat, and it's an immaculate engine compartment. I think I forgot to point out the benefit of the wakeboard tower is that you've got that high level ski tonneau up there, that little white bow. You can put your ski line around there, and it means that you can pull, it's because the tow point is so much higher than the transom one, it makes it easier for skiers and wakeboarders and things to get out of the water. And then if you are doing tricks and jumps over the wake, that extra elevation on your tow point gives you the benefit, you get the ability to jump higher, do more tricks and stuff like that. So it also keeps the rope up clear the rear of the boat as well. If you're interested in this Monterey 204 FS and you want to find out more about it, then please sign up for VIP access on our website at gulfstreamboatsales.com. All you have to do is pop your name and email address into the box below this video on our site at gulfstreamboatsales.com, and you can get VIP access, which is completely free. Once you've signed up, then navigate back to the Monterey 204 page and you can watch our full-length video tour where I'll show you around all the storage compartments in the boat. We'll give you a real good look around the engine bay. We'll go through all the switches on the dash, power up the stereo, and just show you the condition that this one's in, all the features that it has on board, and hopefully help you to figure out whether that might be the right boat for you. So that's sign up for VIP access at gulfstreamboatsales.com. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video. I hope you found it useful.